the signal. So what is up, guys? Today, there is a Goofy. Where is it? Slab Monkey. New Animal Company update. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Okay. That's new. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is new. Whoa, what the fuck?
Someone, he stole yours.
Oh no, I was the one that found
he
it.
stole yours. What is he?
Liar.
You're the one that stole it from me.
It takes
You
pictures.
stole your cap. I didn't even take a picture of you, but someone stole it.
Everybody,
Oh my God.
report this guy right here because he reported everybody.
Yeah, but
Okay, wait, I'm just gonna check out. Oh, new cosmetics. Cool, wait. Or isn't it? No, I'm buying it. If I'm having a supervised account, bro. This is my outfit. If you wanted to know. Okay, that was good. Yeah, new cosmetics. Ghost. Okay, cool. Camera. Hold it down. Take a picture. Oh! Wait, what if I sell this, but with a picture? I'm trying to... Okay, took a picture. What if I sell it with the picture? Do you get more money? It's different. There's cameras. Red flashlight. Yo. I think you could see ghosts with that. Nothing new. Huh. I'll go with public now. No PvP. Oh, what are those? What are those? Ray guns. Okay, wait. Can I just try out the ray gun?
oh, give me it. Yep, you're stupidest in the world. Bro, stupid.
Bro, you are. Who can allow me to? Who can show me where you get a ray gun? A ray gun. I'm gonna get a ray gun.
Me.
Who can show me?
I want to take a picture of your face. What the hell? Yeah,
What the? Why is
Take a picture close up. Look at that. Let's take a picture of your face.
Thank you, good sir.
Thank you for this.
do you have?
Wait, guys, what does the red flashlight do?
He's
What
done
is
this to me multiple times where he takes my
What does
VR,
this do, bro?
runs downstairs, and then dad says he can have it.
I know.
Hey, you. What does the red flashlight do? Oh, and you got the one.
Who wants to go to Haunted Mansion with me?
I'm coming.
There are people at Haunted Mansion. You can come.
Bro, be careful. It's really fucking dangerous.
Well, duh, can I?
You can't see her
try it?
without a flashlight. You have to. Yeah, sure.
Wait, so
Are y'all going
red?
to Haunted
No, the blue
Are
one.
y'all going to Haunted Mansion?
Like
Yeah, so the
grassy?
blue one brings
And
stuff
then
to
I think
you,
press B. Oh, it
and
goes
the
blue.
Yeah, this
red one throws it. The red one. How'd you get that? How'd you get that? How'd you get that?
From the Haunted
Wait,
Mansion.
oh, where are you
Haunted
guys?
Mansion.
Where? Where at the haunted mansion? Where at the haunted mansion? Show me. Can I have it back?
Wait, does it actually work?
Hey, bro, give me that bag.
Can you show me where the gun is at? Can you show me where it at?
Bro, give me my flashlight
Show me
back.
Everyone go to Haunted
Yo,
Mansion.
wait. I know that's Yo, can I have that back now? Thank
Everyone come to Haunted
Haunted Mansion to
Bro.
get
Good loot.
everyone from the
Everyone come to Haunted Mansion.
Okay, I guess I'm going to the haunted mansion,
even though
wherever
it's
it is.
the Haunted
Guess we
Mansion.
gotta go to
You're
Angler.
evil. This
Whoa.
update does
This
have a
new
lot of good
update.
features and stuff.
First cooked.
Your brother's gone.
How am I dying?
Okay.
You can't do it. What is happening at the Haunted Mansion? I don't know. Yo, can someone kill me? Can't return.
How the hell doing that?
Can somebody kill me? I'm in the machine.
I don't know.
No. I don't want these.
I just hit my head.
That ghost noise, bro.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm definitely not scared. But I'm
Bro,
not
give me
even
my
scared.
flashlight.
Yeah, right. You are.
Give it to me, bro. Give it to me or something.
He only kills about.
Ow! She's
Hey,
right
buddy.
over there, bro.
Sure.
Ow!
You couldn't escape me yet. No one.
I'll eventually get out.
Yes, I could.
You see her?
Give me that. No. Bro, give me the goofy flashlight.
Bro, I'm glitching.
Somebody give me a
Bro,
red
this
flashlight.
game is glitching so bad. No wonder
No,
why.
it ain't.
No
No!
wonder. I see someone moving.
What's happening? Oh my god, he's in there.
Is she still right there?
What's happening? Y'all damn, listen up. Those games are kicking out.
Where?
We're all glitching hard.
Where did he? Where did he?
Can't turn them off!
Oh no! Guys, I gotta grab some.
Playing their lights.
What? Hello?
Turn
Hello?
off their flashlights.
Hey, bro.
Wait, turn off the flashlights.
No.
You have the flashlight, turn them off.
Got a camera.
A little bit. Come on, join me a little bit. No, I don't even like it. Oh, God.
He's stuck.
Mama, we're behind you. Guys, let's quickly go in the haunted place.
Everyone go to the Haunted Mansion. Who keeps on playing their flashlight?
And
What's the flashlight?
He's not like that anymore.
dead! Oh my.
POV.
Who keeps on flashing?
Yes.
Ay. Stop.
Give it to me, give it to me. Guys, take a run for it! Just take a run for it, guys! Whoa.
Don't go to
He
haunted place.
disappeared.
What did you do?
Yo!
That hurts.
Wait, that's sick.
Wait, do it in my eyes. Do it in my eyes. Do it in my eyes.
Red
Do it in my eyes. Do it
flashlight.
in my eyes.
I'm just gonna die
Do it
by
in my
guys.
eyes. Bro, dude. Do it in my eyes. Do it in my eyes.
Wait, he's going. He's going. Wait, don't play your flashlight.
Wait, guys.
Whoever has a flashlight, don't fling it at the angler that are attracted to the light. And turn off your flashlight when you go to haunted mansion, cause the creepy lady, when you fling that flashlight at her,
That pretty lady.
she comes after you. All right?
No, say pretty lady.
Oh, I got it.
Oh my. Okay, so do you think we should go? Oh, do you think we
should go to the haunted house?
Yeah!
How we just went to the haunted mansion?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's her.
Hello.
That
Anybody
radio.
want to go to
We just
haunted?
go to the haunted mansion?
Where? The whole group is coming.
I got my ray gun, guys. I got a ray
Should
gun.
we just go to the haunted mansion? I got my racist gun. The angler's distracted.
Wait, someone has to go grab that flashlight there.
No, witch! There's a
The
witch!
angler's
There's a
distracted,
lady
so
down
I
there.
think we should
There was a lady
Got
down
it.
there.
get.
Got it.
Where's my backpack?
Yo,
Where's my backpack?
go down.
I swear to God, I had a backpack. Oh!
There's a lady. There's a lady. There's a lady.
Where?
I
Where?
guess you can see the lady.
I saw the lady.
Where's everybody at?
I saw the.
Where's she?
goofy old
Where's
lady.
She's down there. She's down there.
I told me I saw it.
Flash it at her. Flash
I
it
saw
at
it.
her.
I saw the creepy lady. I saw.
no,
Don't you dare
There's
look
two.
back.
There's
I saw
two.
the creepy lady.
There's two.
Why is there two?
I saw the creepy lady.
Wait, why you say lady? I think there's two. Flash it again. Flash it again. Someone
The
flash it.
angler's distracted though.
Yeah, there's two. There's two, guys.
Guys,
There's oh my God.
you remember when Angler was distracted by that flashlight? I grabbed it with my gun and yeah, let's go.
Skedaddle.
Yeah, I know.
Skedaddle. Skedaddle.
If you want to go to the new haunted house, join the code Bobby, B-O-B-B-Y. No, he's joining. No, say his code. What's the code name?
Who keeps on?
The haunted house is B-O-B. It was B-O-B-B-Y. Can I get B-O-B-B-Y? Okay. Oh no. If somebody gets my stuff, can you give it to me, please? Because I kind of spent all my money on it.
Okay.
Wait.
I spent all my money on that ray gun. And
You see the
Got a
creepy
ray gun.
lady?
guys, what is
No,
the
don't,
five
please.
of those girls?
Don't go near.
Hand me that flashlight. Wait, no.
I'm gonna make $200.
Guys, who wants
Anybody
this?
at the
Who wants
red light,
this?
green light?
Who wants a
Red
ray
light,
gun?
green light.
Me.
Where's
Want a ray
Angler? Wait,
gun? Here, take it. Who wants another ray gun?
should we just
Bro, take
should we just go to the haunted mansion?
Join the code
guys, go to the
B-O-B-B-Y if you're joining.
it. Yo, who wants a flash?
Creepy lady might be
What's up,
here
boys?
somewhere. Well, I don't know.
The flashlight.
Oh, dang.
Haunted mansion without flashlight. Without flashlight, it's gonna be.
Who wants this?
Where did my stuff go? Wait, where's the creepy? There's no creepy lady. I heard there's a creepy lady in this new update.
Yeah, there
I
is.
don't know where
She's
she
around
goes.
in Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that's my backpack. That's my backpack. That's my
Yeah,
backpack.
take it, bro. I got it for you.
There we go.
You hear
I feel
weird
much
ghost
safer.
noises when she's starting to come.
We should just go in.
Don't look at her too
Cause
long, or else you
Angler.
or
You know,
else you
there's
chase
no
you
angler
and-
everywhere.
And she's
Probably
very
over there.
fast. and once he tags you,
The
just
English
like
over
the
there. Should we just
Viking
go?
Instantly
Should we just
are
go?
dead.
Here, who wants this
Should we just go to the
backpack?
haunted mansion?
You want
I
this
mean, it's
backpack,
right.
bro?
Guys, let's just go to the haunted mansion.
Come on, we can stay as a team.
I hear.
No,
Bro, give me my flashlight.
She's still there. She's still there.
Bro, this mine.
Wait, where's the creep? Oh my.
Goofy.
She's right there. She's by the tree.
Bro, give me my flashlight, bro.
Oh, I got flashbang. I got
Give me my
Someone
flashlight.
gave me it.
No, I
got
had it, bro.
flashbangs.
Give me my flashlight.
Why did I get flashbang?
Bro, give me my freaking flashlight.
She's not coming.
Oh my god, bro.
She's still there.
Guys, what does red and what does blue do?
Where is the?
Red
Wait,
sucks
where's the?
up items, and
give me
blue
my
allows you
freaking
to go
flashlight.
There was a
launch yourself and launch the item. It's very cool. Hello. It's like I call it the impulse.
Black,
Where-
give me my
wait.
flashlight.
We should go in. We should
Oh,
go in the
shoot.
haunted mansion.
Why is she over here?
Don't you think?
Black, give me my freaking
Don't you
flashlight.
think? Let's go to the haunted mansion.
You took my flashlight.
Whoa.
Go get it.
Why isn't no one coming in the haunted mansion?
Because the door's open, but the lady's right out the door.
Are we gonna go
where
to
is
the
the lady?
haunted mansion or what?
What? Get me back. Get me back up. Get me back. Who did that?
I
did
told her,
not.
but then
No,
she disappeared.
No. Get me
Come on,
up.
let's go,
No,
let's go.
I swear
Are we
to God.
gonna go?
Run for it.
Almost.
You actually thought. You get chat, guys. Come on, chat. We can
Just
go.
go.
Alright, get your chat on. Dang it.
Just go. There's the haunted. Okay, never
Come on,
mind.
bro. Angler, come
got my
on.
Well, now we can't go in.
Guys, angry lady.
Now we can't
Grandma.
go in.
There's grandma.
Now what? Should we just go back?
Grandma. Guys, don't
Yeah,
look at
honestly,
grandma.
we should.
There's nothing else to do. Should we just go back?
She's
Don't
gone. She's gone.
No, she's right there.
The angler's inside the haunted mansion.
No, look at right here. Come
We
here,
can't
guys.
go in while the angler's inside.
Look at right there.
That's just impossible.
Oh, there she was.
Yeah,
No,
I told
no.
you. I told you, bro.
Oh,
Guys,
Angler,
let's
he's
go
coming
into
out.
the haunted mansion. Then we'll never.
We
if
can't.
don't,
The
we'll
angler's
never make it.
inside.
We'll give us.
The
Angler
angler's
lady's
blocking
right
the pathway.
there.
We can't go inside yet.
Guys, do not.
Who's dead?
Oh, my
He's
God.
Okay.
Explain
The
lady's
angler's
right
dead.
now.
The
Guys, the lady's
angler
right
died. The angler died.
She's right there. She's right there. I saw her.
Guys, let's go.
No, I saw her. I saw her.
So, wait, you saw the creepy lady? Don't look at her.
I saw her right
Guys,
beside that
let's
tree.
go.
Don't.
Guys, let's go
Don't
before
look.
someone else finds the key.
Don't make eye contact with the creepy lady.
Let's go.
Bro, I got.
Yeah, if we don't get any money from this, I'm cooked. If I die, I'm cooked. I have 2 nuts left.
Don't make eye contact with the creepy lady.
Oh, there she is. Creepy lady.
Can we go already? If we don't go right now, it's just gonna be a waste of time.
Okay.
Yeah, the last time I... Where you guys at? Where you guys at? I was cooking.
3, 2.
I opened the door.
Who's gonna go first? You know what?
Did y'all fall?
I'm brave enough to do this.
Where are you guys at?
Guys, what was that?
Oh, I'm still, what is this? I'm at the slide thingy. I like the... I'm at red light, green light, and there's a mimic. Can't pick up the door. I hear someone burning. It's funny.
Come on, who's gonna go first?
I can hear them doing stuff, but they're not talking to me through this. No. Hello? Guys, go to sewers, go to sewers. I wish it was a little bit taller. I wish it was a baller. I wish it would have got...
I made it up. Bro, I don't know what happened there, but I was like,
I'm heading to zero gravity. I'll wait for y'all.
Bro, I was still at the red light, green light, bro. I was scared of y'all because I'm out.
Bruh.
Because there's a mimic camp
this bomb guy, he's waiting for me. He wants.
I think soon.
this shit
I just fell.
Let's see.
Alright.
Go!
Let's see how much
You
this
want
is
to
worth.
house?
You should tell this shit.
I
Okay,
just,
how much was that worth though?
Do you want to go to hiding house?
Can you
fell,
please
so you
loan
lost
me
all this
a
stuff and
Can
you
you
have
loan me a
Do you
backpack,
want to? Do
please?
you want to go to the hiding house?
Please. I need a back.
no.
Student, what is this? Who wants to make some money with me?
What?
Okay, let's go. There's daily challenges. What's that? What's the monster? Make some money.
Wait, can someone buy me
Bro, guys, what's the?
Buy me something. I don't have enough for anything. I only have 2
What's this? What's this?
guys.
Take this.
Black, can you give me a flashlight,
What
please?
is the Pissata monster?
I say, so it shows to you right here.
What? You?
It shows,
Guys, how are we supposed
shows that.
Yeah, it
Wants
says
to go
you.
do,
What does the whole sentence?
Where are you? Where are you?
What is? Is that a new monster?
I think.
Oh, I've done this one. Now I need
I'm
to do that
saying
one.
what sentence is it? Like
What is
sentence?
statistic? What is a statistic?
I guess I'm-
Can you
I
tell me
don't
what a
know.
statistic is? It says CYST.
No,
You know,
no,
is
Who
it-
wants to
no,
go?
it
Who wants to
doesn't.
go?
No, come here. It
Who wants
says,
to go to haunted house?
it says
We're in haunted house, bro. We're scared.
C-A-N-D-O.
I'm coming. I have a red flashlight.
Yeah, watch outside. Yeah, watch outside.
Okay. Okay, this is actually scary.
What the fuck just happened? You don't look at her, retard. I'm coming back. What you prefer? I know you playing games. Can you guys wait? I'm coming back.
I'm coming.
Yo! Hey!
Hey, bro.
Monkey! Alright, we need to find a key.
Does anyone that's coming have a crowbar?
Oh, she's right there. 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 She's right there.
How are you glowing?
Could
How is
somebody
that
here give me
glowing?
back my flashlight? Somebody here give me back my
Glowing
flashlight.
How are you glowing?
This one's mine. Give it back. No, it was not. You took it from me. Give
You,
it back.
how are you glowing, bro? How are you glowing?
Because I'm a skeleton.
Bro, who has the
Guys, we need to go find the key. We need to go find the key.
Guys, let's go to what's it called? Let's go to Instagram.
Go over there or over there. Oh, let's go.
I
Look
got
which
a
way,
red
though.
flashlight.
Don't look at her no matter what. There's nothing, bro. Just don't look at the monster. Come on. What the hell? It was one of those bomb guys. Come on, shine your flashlight. I'm just afraid that she's just gonna like teleport right in front of us. Knock, knock. Wait, guys, there's a corner over here. Come on. Wait, guys. Wait. Come on. This is open. Shine it. I am, you stupid.
Let's go to anti-gravity.
Hey, I can't see, bro. Shine it. Shine it. Shine it. Shine it. Shine it.
No,
Shine
this
it!
one's red.
It's the same thing as zero gravity, sir. Anti-gravity is the same.
Yo, this door's open. This door's open. This door's open.
It's zero gravity, FYI. Okay.
That's the fresh.
Okay.
That's fresh. What's over here, guys? We just went over there.
Oh, this one opens. Guys, this one opens. This one opens.
Second part doors.
We just went in here, bro. No, we didn't. We never came in here.
I usually do the parkour with an umbrella.
Dude, please,
Because I'm trapped.
please.
Shine
Shine
it! Literally right outside the door.
What's over
She's
here?
literally
What's over
right
here?
outside the door.
What's over here?
Guys, wait for
What's
me.
over here?
Nothing!
Yeah, it doesn't open.
Y'all need to shine your light.
Oh God, she shut us in, bro.
Oh. Look down and just run. Look down and run.
Heck no, bro. Why is this?
We are.
Look, I
in
am
here,
totally
guys.
safe. I can just stick to the ceiling.
She's
I'm
right
totally
there.
safe. Was right there.
Not no more.
Oh, another man down. It's just me and
There's
Crow.
two more open doors.
Me and
There's two more
Yellow.
open
Okay.
doors. There's two more.
She's right around that corner though. Don't look around that corner.
No, she's not. Come on. I hear her. I don't like this. We already went in. Open the door. Shine. No, we haven't. Oh, don't look. Don't look. She's outside of this door.
Everybody, go
There's
to
a
haunted
flashbang.
house.
Don't look. There's a.
That's my flashlight.
Guys, shine your light. Shine your light. Shine your light. She's right
light.
there. She's right out there.
That's my flashlight. Give me back.
Shine your light, bro. Shine your light. Yeah, shine your
What
light.
are your flowers to show
What are you
you?
doing?
It's right there.
Of
Dude,
this
it's right there. No, she's not out here. She's not out here.
on YouTube.
Yeah,
She's right there. She's right there.
You-
I can't. She, I don't see her.
blocked us in.
Oh yeah, she is. She is. We're locked.
Can someone please bring
Don't shine it. Don't shine it. Stop. Don't shine it. Don't shine it.
it.
Turn it on.
I really want him. He's my friend.
Someone's gonna die. Turn it off. Leave it off.
Bro, turn it
Trying
on.
to show me
I'm
this
free
door.
as possible.
I feel like I'm gonna gruesome death, so
Bring
Yeah,
him
she's
here,
out
boy.
there.
Jack
She's
up
out
here.
there,
Is
guys.
that a PP?
See
Is
it.
that a PP
No.
on the ceiling? Oh.
Look on your map.
I'm scared.
Map, she's
We need
there.
out.
Wapong dong and
Should we just run? Should we just run?
Bro, I don't know. This is scary.
Whoever's die. That guy
I don't
died.
want that.
Escape.
Let's just run. Let's just run.
Look down and run.
Okay, ready? Turn on your light. Turn on your light.
Just wait.
Sit.
Is she right there? Is she right there?
No, no. Everybody ready? Everybody ready? Down! Say hike. Guys.
Open up the door.
Full screen.
Give me
Turn on
out.
the light, bro. Where is she? Find her, find her. Turn on the light, bro. We need to find her.
I did. Guys, we need to go over there.
Turn on the flashlight.
We need to
Look.
go over there.
No, let's go haunted house
Okay.
and fight.
There's a flashbang.
Still
but
one
he's
more
okay.
door. There's
Yeah,
still one
just
more door
flashback.
we didn't. Hold on, guys. This opens probably.
This might open. Yeah, it opens. It
Oh,
opens.
maybe yeah.
Oh, I think this might be the
Oh,
one.
there's tentacles.
Oh my God! Don't look.
She's right there. She's right there. Don't look.
Guys, I can't see. I can't see. Guys,
Wait, is that the
where's
key?
the light?
Is that
On
the
the
key?
road.
Help me, bro.
Guys, I can't see. Guys, I can't
I
see.
didn't get flashbang.
Where's the key? You guys found the key?
I
I
don't know.
thought I saw it.
Bro, nah, bro. Why is
Bro,
this
this
scary?
lady's built different, bro. It's not even funny.
Can you shine your light around her?
I am, you stupid!
Give me the
Stop
flashlight.
telling me what. No.
Bro, give
I'm
me
not.
this. Give me
I'm not
this.
giving
Give me
you.
this. Here, take the red
Hey, can I
one,
have
take
your
the red one.
flashlight? Yeah, give me it.
Yeah, take it, bro.
I'm back, goddammit. Stay there. No! What did I... Who offered is alive?
Oh my God.
Bro, don't.
Whoever is alive is gay.
Alright, I'm going on the ceiling, Bucko. Nobody can have a go.
Guys, I'm just gonna die. Can we just find the light?
He's right
Should
there.
we just run? Should we just run? Just
I
don't.
mean, it
Look at
was
the cabinets.
last
We didn't even check the drawers, bro.
She's right there, bro.
Wait, you're able to.
Look,
You're
look
able
on
to
your
open the
look at
doors?
Bro, look on your map. She's right there, bro. The X. The X
Oh
means
my
she's
gosh,
there.
she is right there.
Come on, stop being chickens.
This way.
Guys, there's
There's
so
two of
much
them.
stuff
There's
around
two.
us.
Guys, come on. There's only two.
Only two what?
Two ladies.
Let's go. I don't like this.
Ah!
Don't look at her.
I don't like it.
So I think the white.
Oh, this
door's
one
open.
opens, guys. This one opens.
Yeah, the white door's open. This one has literally nothing.
All right, guys, come on. Well, you never know.
White door. Yeah, see, the white door's open. What is that?
Hell no.
The weirdest object.
Wait,
We gotta get back
that
with
might
this.
be
We
a lot
gotta
of
get back.
money. That might be a ton of
We
money.
have to get back with this.
I'm gonna murder her with this. What if that's the Mona
No,
Lisa?
we have to get back, guys. I have
What
to
if
get
that's
back.
the Mona Lisa? That's so much money.
It is. That's exactly why we have to get back.
Look down.
Oh, she's right there. She's right there. She's right there.
Guys, come on.
She's right there, bro. She's right there.
We have to go without looking. Where are the rest of you guys? Where did they go? We gotta go, bro. Come on. We have to make it out. Where's the way out? Let's just leave with this
Bro,
picture,
come
bro.
here,
Just leave.
She's right there, bro.
Where are you at?
I'm out. I'm out, bro.
We're coming out.
Heck no, bro.
Hold on. Give me a second. Did you just die?
Oh, it's green. It's green.
Yeah, you-
Can I take a picture of you?
Oh my
Can I
god,
take a
bro,
picture
that
of you?
was so scary. Yeah.
That look great. Then we go sell it and make money now.
Dude, we have the Mona Lisa. We have the Mona Lisa.
I know.
What
they
the?
have That I don't even know what that was. I can't. It's so large.
Guys, I have the Mona Lisa.
gotta do
Guys, I
that,
have the
bro,
Mona
that's so
Lisa.
dumb.
The what now?
I have the Mona Lisa! Everyone, I have the Mona Lisa!
Well, we have
Shine
to
a light
sell
on
it.
it.
We can make millions of money.
I found
If
it
you do
and then
so.
I told you to take it.
We have to go to a dark spot, dude. We have to go somewhere dark for it to work.
Why?
Well, I'm literally
Because
shivering.
else it don't work. It has to be dark.
Good luck with that, I guess. I'm not.
It was dark.
Turn off the flashlight. Turn off flashlight.
It worked when we were in there. You saw it, dude. Her eyes were
Sell
all
it.
black.
Sell it.
I saw it.
Sell it.
Sell it.
How much does it? How much does it go for?
Wait, guys, I know a perfect spot.
I don't know, but we're gonna sell it.
Yo, I know a perfect spot.
There's more. There's more.
No.
Behind
Go,
the stage.
go ahead and
No.
die. Go die in it, so
myself.
no one steals it. Go die in it. You have to also sacrifice.
A guy was also in there with the Mona Lisa. Extra money.
How much money?
Okay, how much
does
is
it
it? A lot. It should be a lot.
Mona Lisa.
Okay,
Hello.
Dang, that's a lot.
Anybody
bro.
want to go do the
For
new
one
Cosmo
thing.
guys,
type
it's
thing?
dinner time on my end of the. Okay.
Guys, it's dinner time on my end of the world, and I will find a
Hey,
funny
guys,
stopping point, so
basically-
tell me. I dare you to do
Does
it.
anybody want to go to
That's a
Anglerfish
bundle.
Cave and
There
like
will be a part two, so-
No, anybody want to go to Father Red Torches to the